There are people with different kinds of hair. Some have straight hair, some have curly hair, some have frizzy hair, some have very soft and silky hair. So it's easy to manage hair for people, those who have long hair, especially women, when it is soft and silky. All other hair types usually struggle to manage their hair because it's difficult to maintain, especially curly and frizzy hair. So what do people with curly or frizzy hair resort to? They resort to different methods which straighten the hair or make the hair softer. So the hair contains a protein which is called keratin, and many beauty parlors do something called as keratin treatment. There are also something called cysteine treatment. Cysteine is one of the amino acids which is also found in keratin. And recently there has been a rage about something called as hair Botox. So how are these things different? There is no standardized scientific method that outlines the steps of these treatments, because these treatments are not provided by doctors or they are not provided in clinics. So there is no specific protocol. Each beauty parlor or each chain or salon will use different types of methods for the same thing. Some will call it hair keratin treatment, some will call it hair Botox treatment. Overall, most of these treatments involve use of chemicals to straighten the hair, and later they do some conditioning. So in this conditioning process, some of them use keratin. The keratin used in this conditioning part of the straightening process is usually from animal sources. So maybe chicken keratin or something like that, from the feathers or from wool or from other animals it is used. And this helps to smoothen the hair to a certain extent, because straightening is a process which involves a lot of strong chemicals, and that makes the hair very rough. And you might have seen with earlier when people used to do straightening, most of the hair after the conditioner goes off will look very rough and dry. So these are better managed when these hair are treated with keratin, or hair Botox is a slightly more advanced version of this keratin treatment. There is no Botox used in hair Botox at all. So it's just called hair Botox because wrinkles or kinks in the hair are removed and it's made straight and smooth. So even Botox removes wrinkles from the skin, so that name has been applied. It's not that Botox is used in hair Botox. So hair Botox is the most latest treatment which has good conditioners. Keratin treatment is slightly older version of that, and hair straightening is a much oldest version of the straightening treatment. So there are no standard protocols. Each spa or each salon follows different methods to do the same thing. So telling exactly what is behind these treatments is difficult to comment on.